What's up, everybody? We just found out that the Challenger's on the frame machine, and we're at Wizards Auto Body right now. Want to tell them a little about it?
Alright, so Wayno got the Challenger on the frame machine, and we're going to have some footage for you guys. He already started pulling a little bit. You know, we got footage of that, and we just thought that we'll let you know what's going on. And this was just a quick update on the Challenger, and things are moving forward.
Set all the clamps so we can lock it all down, and then we can start doing the pulling.
Nice.
Yeah, so everything's so far good, you know.
That's good.
Yeah, so if you want to walk around, just watch your step, take some pictures if you want, and then I told him about an hour.
Yeah.
I'm going to start putting some chains and start pulling it back.
Okay, yeah, he said he was going to try and finish up his job, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, no, that's...
What do you think will be nice after it's done, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm
It'll be a
excited
nice
for
car.
this.
Oh, yeah. Great. Yeah, it'll be a good cool car when it's done.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Nice looking car.
Yeah, that's what I thought the first time I saw it.
Yeah.
The pictures really didn't do it justice.
So what this does here, this is like locks the car down. So when you pull the front, it doesn't sway back and forth
Oh, okay.
as you're pulling it. So it just locks the car down so you can pull the the body on it. So, yep. Clamps and stuff you got for different stuff to pull with. So grab a couple different things. Let's see, so at least it cooled down a little, huh?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing
It
myself.
was brutal. Just trying trying to pre-pull a little of this metal out so we can get it out so we can put a better clamp on it. Yeah, you gotta pull a little here, pull a little there, pull a little there, and try and work everything back without destroying the rest of the good stuff, you know?
Right.
Wow, this is action. I'm the boss. You want to get me in it?
Yeah, that's...
What do you
I'm the
gotta
guy
say?
who makes out the bill, so you better be nice.
Oh, okay. For you? So I see what you mean, a little bit here, a little bit there.
Yeah, you gotta work it all out till you get it all, and then you can get in there to grab it a little better. It's
Yep.
a pain, but you gotta do it.
Wayno!
What's happening?
I got the piece you want.
Holy shit. Mario, you're on camera.
I'm Johnny!
Finally getting there, man. Good timing today on this fucker. Nice.
Look at that.
The rail was up too. Yeah. So, got this rail cap, this one here done, the back here, the spread down in the back over here. Got this worked out pretty good here. Pull this out, throw that big dent up here. Yep. Just gonna weld in that hole there. You know, got this all backwards stretched out. So,
Good, I like it.
that's that one.
Here it is, man.
That's the one, it's short. See,
Right.
the other one, when I put it on, it fit perfect. But the difference was, this CL longer, the shorter,
Oh, yeah.
and the bolts lined up the same, and it fit in there. I'm like, I go, but that one's short, that one's long, and I go, wait.
That's why it was messed up.
Then I matched it up, and I'm like,
Just give him that one and be able to return it.
I'm better return
I
that
don't
one.
know, yeah, I thought I would have
Yeah, oh yeah.
Now I just squeeze and stick these rails up a little better. I just did a down pull down, it was up a half inch. So, got that down, everything's even now. Got that back deck, the kink up there, good. Started to put this inner fender in, then I got the outer one after, I'll weld that in.
What do you
Got
think
that
you
down
did?
out here. I don't know, probably, I don't know.
Next week sometime?
Monday, Tuesday,
Really?
and then got sanded down, painted off, you know, do it all right. You want it all painted too, right?
I'd like you to,
Yeah, we can blow it all in.
Yeah,
Whatever.
so I don't want it to rot.
No, definitely not. You know, they'll look good, they'll look all factory, we put everything on it, look like it's never touched.
I love it.
Yeah? Cool.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, not proud, man. You know, I'm doing my best. I told you I would, you know. So here's all your, got all your measurements in here. For all the cram, crisscross, the frame rails, all the measurements and everything for it. So, cram everything when I'm all done. When you work everything, get all the metal back, then you measure everything, see how close you're at, if you can go more, you know, but that's what you do. So, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Looks 10 times better.
Getting there.
People are like,
There's a whole bunch of little shit that hood must have buckled it down. I got that up in the back corner over here too for you. You know, I don't want you to have any problems. I just go straight down, corner piece up there. Straight this thing cap up here, all nice welded in if you look over here.
Can you pull on this a little bit right here? Just a little bit?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I'll get that all back. Like you said something, I didn't even see that. You know, I've been just concentrating on all the shit.
Dude, it looks
So,
freaking awesome here.
This metal is so thick and it's that spring steel, hardened steel,
Yeah.
and it's hard to bend that shit back. I didn't realize that, but if you buy this whole shock tower, you gotta buy that whole thing, man.
Yeah.
I know you do.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I do my best. It is coming out pretty good.
It comes all the way back to here way up.
Yeah.
There's some things there.
So, yeah, it's getting there, man. I'm real happy the way it's starting to come out.
Me too.
So, like I told you here, I'm gonna take this piece here, I'm gonna section this in here, because I'm gonna stay behind my rail, because this all interlocks in your structural. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in here, put the piece in, and then I'll cap it with the new one. It'll be one whole piece, the outside, you know, that's how we do it. Yeah, you know, you won't see it here.
I thought
You
you
don't
were
want to
more
start,
up here.
you don't want to start cutting in all this structure. No, I pulled all this out. If you look up here, it's all nice smooth. This is all buckled in here. I got that out. So
Yeah. I thought you were going to cut that too, but I'm glad you just plug it back. And then make it
this rail was over just about a half inch and up in it. So just gave that a quick down pull, pulled it over a hair, and then when I'm all done, we'll measure. I had the rebar already on there, which is sitting up with the bolts all in there, nice. So everything lines up with that. So I still got to crisscross measure everything anyway. Now this bumper, I'm thinking, is this the bottom or is this the top? Or is this the bottom where the bumper ends go in on the bottom? I don't know.
No, this is the bottom.
That is the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good.
Yeah, 'cause
It fits either way. I wasn't sure.
I remember how I cut it off the car.
Okay. Why was it welded? What was it welded to?
So the fucking to this.
Oh, it's welded to that?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You don't need it, but
This stuff is not made to fit on the rail.
yeah.
Fucking perfect. So, yeah. It's getting there, dude.
What do you think?
Yeah. So,
I'm sorry.
doing what I can do. We'll make it nice. You put that in there, throw everything together. You want no problem.
That's the plan. I'm gonna buy another one that snaps in the back. They can't be fixed.
Get the whole nose off of it.
Okay, you know.
Yeah, there you go. Maybe that's a set of wheels, everything. Too.
Yeah. Because I got that wheel's curved or something, and whatever. It's cool.
It's good they had that stock, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and I ran through my business, so I got the regular one.
You went to RDO. Oh, they did give it to you? Good.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah.
my business.
Oh, good. Oh, that's cool.
I got to change the rack, but I don't want.
Oh,
I
no
didn't-
shit.
I didn't pull the rack out because I needed you to be able to see it, but that's why you can see it because the rack's up.
No kidding. I didn't see that. Wow, that sucks.
It's alright. It's gonna come off the new car.
Yeah, yeah, there you go. You know, if you start adding up all these parts, you can get another one, like you said.
They save money.
Perfect. Even if it's a 6-cylinder car, whatever, all the parts should be the same, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The 6-cylinder is the same. The only difference is the wiring harness.
Oh,
I got a few wiring harness problems I'm gonna have to fix.
yeah, but that's nothing. You could get all these ends, all of that shit.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It's been a very long day for us. We got a lot done today, honestly, and you know, we got a new project right here.
We're sitting on it right now.
You guys can guess what it is. Whatever, but we hope you like the video.
Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification button. And go visit our social media.
Yeah, and comment down below. We want to hear from you. We look forward to that. And yeah, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I think we even got Snapchat, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, check us out. We're everywhere. Just look us up, and we thank you all for watching. We appreciate all of you.
You guys help us out a lot. That gives us so much love. And thank you guys.
Keeps us
so much.
motivated. So, thanks again. Peace.